If you have a webcam or a camera device that is connected onto your computer, then you can directly access it by using Google Slides, take a picture from it and insert the picture in Google Slides right here. So I'm just going to delete this old picture to make place for a new one, and then I'm going to click on insert to do that. Then I'm going to go to image, and over here you can see that camera is an option. Once I click on it, my camera is accessed as you can see. So now you can see that it is accessing my camera. So if I were to click on this button right here, so I'm just going to go around and click a picture of mine. There you go. So I just clicked a picture. It's not very good, but no problem. So I guess I'm just going to take another picture and another picture right here as well. So I'm just going to go around, take another picture. Yeah, there you go. So I'm just going to hit insert, and then what happens is that the picture that you chose gets inserted. Let's just try that out again. I'm going to go to image, and then I'm going to go to camera right here. So I can go around, choose the existing picture and insert that out as well. Or I can go around and take a new picture. So I'm just going to go around into insert, image, camera, and then I'm just going to go around right here, up much closer now. So I'm just going to go around, click a picture of mine, and there you go. So you can go around and insert that picture, and this is how it works. And that is how you can insert image directly from a camera that is attached to your computer inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.